I don't know who to thank first. Oh, I know. Me!
So majestic.
So powerful.
Make it look easy.
Pumbaa, how can a rock be proud? It's a rock.
Well, I think it's because a pride is what they call a group of lions.
Oh, sure, the lions get Pride Rock. And what about us meerkats? Where I come from, we didn't have nothing to be proud of. Why, when I was a young meerkat...
When he was a young meerkat!
Very nice.
Thanks.
But maybe it'd be safer if I just show him where I came from.
Oh boy, do we get to see where you grew up?
Yeah, Pumbaa, but it ain't pretty. How convenient. Enter omniscient monkey right on cue.
Well, you know what they say. When the student is ready, the teacher appears.
That's it. No more fortune cookies for you.
You fool!